DesignCrowd Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our DesignCrowd Online Job Platform Review. In this video, we'll cover what DesignCrowd offers, who it's best for, and whether it's worth using. Links to DesignCrowd are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. DesignCrowd is a global freelance marketplace focused on graphic design. It connects businesses with designers who specialize in logos, branding, website design, t-shirts, business cards, and more. The platform works primarily through design contests, where clients submit a project brief and multiple designers compete by submitting their work. The client then picks a winner who gets paid, while other participants go unpaid unless the client decides to purchase additional designs. For designers, this can be a great way to showcase skills and land projects. But it also means there's a risk of doing unpaid work if your design isn't selected. However, top designers who consistently win contests can make a steady income while also building a strong portfolio. DesignCrowd also offers one-on-one projects where clients can hire a specific designer directly, allowing for more stable work opportunities. For businesses and clients, DesignCrowd offers a cost-effective way to access a wide range of design styles from a global talent pool. Clients get multiple design submissions to choose from, ensuring a variety of creative options. The platform also has a money-back guarantee, which adds a layer of security for clients who may not be satisfied with the submissions. One downside is that competition is high, and new designers may struggle to win contests. Additionally, DesignCrowd takes a service fee from payments, which can cut into earnings. However, if you're a designer with strong skills and persistence, this platform can be a great way to get exposure and work with clients worldwide. Overall, DesignCrowd is a legitimate and well-established platform for freelance designers and businesses looking for quality design work. If you're interested, check out the links in the description and start exploring the platform today. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.